and Fariha show. This is Money, and I am Fariha.
Hello, welcome to our show.
And yes.
So what are we doing today? We have a whole different excitement going on here.
We do indeed. I am so excited because we have two ladies who will be discussing makeup and cosmetology and skincare. And you know, as you've seen, normally I'm pretty plain, but today one of the girls who is joining us did do my eyeshadow and my makeup. So we will be discussing all about that.
Otherwise, if you just see Fariha when she walks into the studios, and even when you used to do the radio show, she will be putting on her makeup while she would be, you know.
Yeah, I think you caught me a few times.
Exactly. So, as much as, you know, I am excited to hear what they have to say and what they have up on the sleeve today. I'm sure you all are. Because this is one of the things that we cannot get away from, right?
Absolutely.
Constantly things are changing, products are changing, and we're adjusting ourselves to our lifestyles. And
there's
because
a true
there's so much
technology.
happening.
There's a true technology behind it as well. Like, how do we maintain our skin? Yes. And you know, in this day and age, there's so many, so much information available. We can always Google stuff, but how much of it is actually accurate? As well as, you know, the products to use, because there's an abundance out there. So we are looking forward to the recommendations of our experts in the studio today.
Absolutely. And what to get best for your buck. So stay tuned. Here we are.
Bang for your buck.
Absolutely.
That's important too, because some of these products are so expensive.
Absolutely.
You know, like our favorite store is like Sephora, right, Money? And what's like the average spending?
Okay, I'm not going to say that here on the studios. But
it's kind of
I think we all have been through that, and we, at some point in time, you know, we all have questioned ourselves when it comes to the comparison of the products. Okay, which one is good, and if we can dupe that or for the cheaper price, and are we really getting what we are asking for? Because it's just it's something psychological, you know, that you pay higher price. Maybe your expectations are, you know, relative to that price, and that you expect a lot more than.
I'm just such a sucker. Like, you go into those stores, you get hit up by a sales consultant, and you feel as if you need every single product.
Oh my God.
But do we really?
Absolutely. So, and when I go through the spring cleaning, now I recently did spring cleaning for my makeup drawer. And half of the products, you know, I was quite surprised to see that I haven't even touched them. Wow. So I questioned myself, really, are those the products that I really needed them? It was just more about wanted them, right? So now I just made myself promise, like I every year did, right? So this is another promise on top of the
once again
unfulfilled promise from the last 10 years. So that I'm not going to buy any more products till I finish them, or just going to buy the products that absolutely that I need for my skin. And again, not just for my skin, you know, what really is required for my skin.
Yeah.
And
another thing that we've participated in, especially around Christmas time, because we are all about causes and giving a hand up as opposed to a hand out. And one of our guests from the radio show, Mimi actually, and Katie, they introduced a project to us where at Christmas time they arrange a handbag. How many handbags do we have lying around that we no longer use? And it's filled with all the products that a lady requires. And only a lady knows what a lady requires, right? So all of these extra products, we can utilize them in that way. And then we go on the streets of Toronto or any other cosmopolitan area, then, you know, hand it out to someone in need. It will definitely brighten a person's day.
What a great initiative, you know.
Yes.
It's just something to think about.
We
rather
hear
than
the great
if the products are not expired,
here.
You know, they have not been used, and there are something, you know, that can be passed on to. I think this is great, and you really don't have to team up with anybody. If you want to do it at individual basis, you know, make small piggybacks and pass it on.
Pass it on. And we will be passing on some more information when we return after the break.